What if I told you that some of the slickest animations you've seen on YouTube, Instagram, or even in ads weren't made by professional designers with years of After Effects experience, but by an AI tool that anyone can use? Animations that look like they came straight out of a high-budget explainer video created in seconds, without ever touching keyframes or complicated timelines. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what's happening right now with AI motion graphics generators. These tools let you type out what you want, like a bar chart race showing the fastest growing tech companies between 2010 and 2025, or a futuristic HUD interface loading up on screen. And within seconds, you get a polished animation that looks like it could have taken hours to make manually. In this video, I'll break down how this works, show you real examples, explain how it can save you time, money, and stress, and prove why this might be one of the most game-changing AI tools for content creators right now. And the best part? You don't need design experience. You don't need expensive software. All you need is an idea and this tool, which is called Hera. Now, if you've ever tried making motion graphics the traditional way, you know the pain. After Effects is insanely powerful, but it has a steep learning curve. Even something as simple as animating text to slide in smoothly with good easing can take hours if you don't already know the ins and outs. And let's not even talk about complex animations like zooming maps, animated infographics, or those slick transitions you see in viral TikToks. Unless you've been editing for years, you'll either have to pay a professional hundreds of dollars or spend days watching tutorials just to recreate a 5-second effect. That's where AI comes in. Hera basically takes the pain out of the process. Instead of you manually animating every layer, you just describe what you want and Hera generates it automatically. So what exactly can you make with this tool? Pretty much any type of motion graphic. 3D animations like spinning globes, product mock-ups, or cinematic camera sweeps. 2D flat-style explainer graphics, infographics, and data visualizations. Perfect for YouTube channels, corporate presentations, or even class projects. Logo reveals and intros, stuff people usually pay freelancers to make. And the crazy part? You don't need to install heavy software or buy expensive templates. It's all prompt-based. It's an AI-driven motion graphics tool. You type in what you want in plain English, and Hera generates the animation. That's it. There are two main ways to make graphics. Template library, dozens of pre-designed motion templates you can customize. Manual prompt, write your own prompt describing exactly what you want. Both workflows are fast, beginner-friendly, and produce professional results, even for charts, maps, lower thirds, logo reveals, stat cards, you name it. And you can export in high resolution, even 4K. Even with transparency, depending on your plan. Let me show you a template-based example. Say you need a simple map animation for USA. Just go to Hera AI dashboard, click on Templates from menu, choose one of this map animation template, and click on Use this template. Now each template have different option here. You can choose map style, ratio, background, etc. Select what you want and type Generate United States of America Map Outline Animation. Just hit Generate and you instantly get a polished animated map. No messing with easing curves, timelines, or buying expensive plugins like GeoLayers. Now that's the template workflow. Now the manual prompt method. Let's say you want a map that zooms into Germany and Poland with border highlights and labels. You type something like, start with a map of Europe, zoom into Germany and Poland, outline Germany's border in blue, Poland's border in red, glowing strokes. Put the labels Germany and Poland centered on the map, clean, modern font. You can even enhance the prompt, then hit Generate, and Hera produces a map animation matching that description. Zoom, outlines, labels, smooth animation. If it's too fast, you say, slow the zoom by 20%, hold for 2 seconds at the end. Regenerate. Done. Another prompt example. 3 stat cards side by side showing watch time, return rate, and new subscribers, each counting up. Prompt. Create 3 flat-style stat cards side by side engagingly. Labels, watch time, return rate, and new subs. Each card animates a number counting up, 1 to 5,000 for watch time, 1 to 42% for return rate, and 1 to 1,200 for subs. Soft drop shadow, minimalist layout, subtle ease on count up, title above, channel stats this month. Regenerate if you want slower count ups, bolder fonts, or different color accents. You get an elegant animated KPI display in seconds, not keyframed manually. What's awesome is how fast you can iterate. In After Effects, a small tweak, say bumping the label font size or changing the line thickness, means digging into a timeline, hunting keyframes. With Hera, you just say, bolder font, thicker line, hit generate, and you get a fresh version instantly. That means one prompt, one modification, 2 generations, and you've got the perfect animation. For editors or YouTubers, that's a massive time saver. Some other features Hera supports are transparent background export lets you overlay motion graphics on top of footage easily, great for compositing. 4K at 60 frames per second on paid plans. Daily generation limits apply on free plan, so you can test workflows without paying. Brand kits and reuse. On paid tiers or enterprise, you can predefine brand colors, fonts, logos, and make reusable templates so your animations are always on brand. Now let's talk about pricing. Here's the lowdown on costs. Free plan, free animations per day at 720p, which is perfect for testing or quick overlays. Standard plan, $12 per month, currently showing 40% off. You get 200 prompts a month, unlimited video exports with a cap of 30 map animations per month, and exports up to 18p. You can export with transparent backgrounds, use all formats and frame rates, and you even get one brand kit for keeping your colors and fonts consistent. No watermark, which is huge. Pro plan, $24 per month, also 40% off at the moment. Here you jump to 500 prompts per month, unlimited exports, 60 map animations per month, and now you can export up to 4K resolution. You also get transparent exports, 3 brand kits, plus advanced map highlighting, collaboration, and something they call stealth mode. Mega plan, $60 per month, again 40% off right now. This one removes almost all limits, unlimited prompts, unlimited exports, unlimited brand kits. You get the same 4K quality, advanced maps, collaboration, and stealth mode. Basically, if you're a business or studio, this is the tailored package. So you can get started for free and scale as your needs grow. So if you're tired of wrestling After Effects for those quick motion shots, give Hera a spin. Use my link down below to get 15% off your first plan upgrade. I will be clear, this video is not sponsored, genuinely. I like the tool, however, I will earn a commission via affiliate link. I will try to bring more amazing tools and online earning methods as AI progresses. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, watch this next video to explore our other videos.